Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm gonna show you how I wash my hair. So let's begin. So before heading to the shower, there are a few things that I do which I'd like to mention. So as you can see right here, I have oils in my hair. So the day I wash my hair, I oil my hair the night before. And not only I oil my scalp, but as you can see, I have oils in the lengths and also in the ends of my hair as well. So you need to oil your hair at least overnight or the day on which you are gonna wash your hair 2 to 3 hours prior your hair wash. Next thing is brushing or combing your hair. I always comb my hair before washing it because it makes sure that I don't have any tangles or knots in my hair, and also it is easier to brush or comb your hair when you have oils in your hair rather than brushing or combing it when it's wet. Also, you shouldn't brush or comb your hair when it's wet because then it's at its weakest and it easily breaks your hair. Next is the shampoo. So today I'm gonna use Khadi's Henna Tulsi Extra Conditioning Shampoo. I take the amount of shampoo which I'm gonna need in an empty container, and I fill the empty container halfway with water, and I mix the shampoo with the water so the shampoo gets diluted, and I use this diluted shampoo all over my hair to wash it. Then I prepare my hair rinse. I take about a very little amount of apple cider vinegar in this jar like container, and I fill the rest of the container with water, and I use this hair rinse on my hair. Then finally I step into the shower and I make sure that all of my hair gets wet before I start applying the shampoo so that the shampoo can get along with my hair. And usually I do a double cleanse when the weather is hot and it's super humid outside, but as now the weather is getting chilly, I'm gonna do only a single cleanse. So first I start applying the shampoo on the front part of my head, and then I start massaging my head using my palms and fingers, and then gradually I move towards the back of my head. As you can see that the Khadi shampoo creates a lot less lather than any regular shampoo, which I like and also my hair likes. But if you are using a shampoo which creates a lot like excess lather, then it's time you should switch your shampoo, because usually shampoos that creates a lot of lather can dry out your hair and make your hair brittle. So you can either dilute it using water or you can switch to a sulfate free shampoo. And I take my time in massaging my scalp while applying the shampoo. After that I rinse all of that lather away from my hair, and I don't apply any extra shampoo to the lengths of my hair. Whatever foam I have on top of my head, I just pass it on to the lengths of my hair and I wash the lengths using that foam only. And after I am done washing the shampoo and the foam away from my hair, then I move on to the ACV rinse. Now if you have dandruff problem or hair fall problem, then I would highly recommend you to use this ACV rinse on your hair. You will see the difference once you start using it. So first I dip the ends of my hair in the ACV water, and then I dump all of that water on top of my head. It acts like a natural conditioner. It takes away any excess oil, and it also helps with dandruff and hair fall problem. I let the ACV sit on my hair for 3 to 5 minutes, and then I wash the ACV away from my hair. Usually I do the ACV rinse after shampooing and conditioning my hair, but the conditioner which I'm going to use today is paraben free, so that's why I am doing the ACV rinse after the shampoo. Next, after rinsing the ACV from my hair, I squeeze all of the water out of my hair before applying the conditioner, because you want to make sure that you don't have any excess water in your hair before you apply your conditioner, because it will dilute your conditioner and it won't make your hair as much soft as the conditioner is supposed to. So I take a good amount of conditioner and I apply it only on the lengths of my hair. First I apply the conditioner on the outer layer of my hair and then I go into my hair with my fingers, and I also take my time here massaging the conditioner into my hair. I apply the conditioner from like the mid portion all the way to the ends, and also today I'm not gonna use any hair mask. And then I do my final wash 5 minutes after applying the conditioner. Usually when I use hair masks on my hair, the store-bought ready-made ones, I use them before applying the conditioner and then I go on with the conditioner. And so this is the final step. So a lot of you guys ask me how I towel dry my hair. So I don't use any towel to dry my hair. I use this thin piece of cloth to like soak the excess water out of my hair, and I only pat dry my scalp. I don't do anything crazy with my lengths. I don't beat the lengths of my hair in order to get it dry. I leave it on its own and it gets dry on its own. The maximum I do is to get my electric stand fan on and stand in front of it to get the hair dry, and I don't do anything else. If my hair is dripping at this point, I just squeeze the excess water out of the lengths of my hair, and if I see that it's taking too much time for the hair to get dry, sometimes I use the blow dryer on the cool setting, and that's it. That's how I get my hair dry. So this is my hair after it has been freshly washed. It feels super nourished, moisturized and soft as well. And the ACV which I used on my hair, it not only helps me with my dandruff and hair fall problem, but it also gives me back the natural volume of my hair as well. So give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and also subscribe to my channel for more videos. Let me know in the comments down below if you have any queries regarding the steps and the products which I used. And also subscribe to my second channel, which is my Hindi channel as well. And I'll talk to you guys later in my next video. Bye.